Tom is 15 years old. He is a quiet boy. His life changed forever one dark night. His father and mother died in a car accident. Since that day, Tom has been alone.
I'm alone.
He has no home. He has no parents. Tom feels lost. He feels empty. Every night, he looks at the sky and asks, "Why me?" But life does not stop. One day, his uncle comes to see him. This meeting will change Tom's life forever.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Uncle.
How are you feeling today?
I feel sad. Very sad.
I understand, my boy.
I miss my parents.
They loved you very much.
I know, but they are gone.
You don't have to be alone.
What do you mean?
I want you to live with us.
With you?
Yes, in my house.
Are you sure?
Of course. You are my family.
Thank you, Uncle.
My wife is very kind.
I'm nervous.
Don't worry. You will be safe.
When do we go?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'm ready.
The next morning, Tom takes his small bag. He gets into his uncle's car. They drive through the city. Tom looks out the window. Everything feels different now. After 30 minutes, they arrive. The house is big and beautiful. Tom takes a deep breath. He is nervous, but also a little bit hopeful.
We're here, Tom.
Wow. This is your house? It's very big.
Yes. Come inside.
Hello, Tom. Welcome.
Hello.
I'm your Aunt Clara.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you for letting me stay.
This is your home now.
I don't know what to say.
Tom, this is Anna.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna.
I'm your cousin.
Oh, hello.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Me too. We're the same age.
That's cool.
Want to see your room?
Yes, please.
Follow me. Here's your room.
Wow. This is for me?
Yes. Do you like it?
I love it.
There's a desk for homework.
It's perfect.
And look at the window.
I can see the garden.
My room is next door.
Really?
Yes. If you need help, just call me.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.
You're very nice.
I'm happy you're here.
Me too.
Tom unpacks his bag. He puts his clothes in the closet. He sits on his new bed. It is soft and comfortable. For the first time in weeks, he feels safe. He looks around the room. There are books on the shelf. There is a lamp on the desk. Everything is clean and warm. Tom goes to the window. He sees flowers and trees in the garden. Birds are singing. Tom smiles. Maybe everything will be okay.
Dinner is ready.
It smells delicious.
I hope you like pasta.
I love pasta.
Sit down, Tom.
Thank you.
Here you go.
This looks great.
Mom is the best cook.
It's really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Oh, school.
Don't worry, you'll go to my school.
Will I be in your class?
Yes, I'll help you.
Thank you, Anna.
You're a smart boy, Tom.
I'll try my best.
That's all we ask.
I want to make you proud.
You already do.
After dinner, Tom helps clean the table. Anna shows him her drawings. They laugh together. His aunt gives him a hug goodnight. His uncle pats his shoulder. Tom goes to his room. He changes into his pajamas. He lies down in his bed. The house is quiet. But it's a good kind of quiet. A peaceful quiet. Tom closes his eyes. For the first time in a long time, he feels like he belongs somewhere. He is not alone anymore. He has a family. He has a home. He has hope. Tom smiles in the darkness. Tomorrow he will start school. Tomorrow his new life truly begins. But tonight he is just happy.
Hey, thank you very much. Until the end. I am very happy. Please like this video because it really helps our friends to see this video too and share this with your friends. Thank you very much for your support because it really helps me to continue episode 2. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I want to know you. Tell me in the comments your name, age, country if possible. I am Tom. I am 15 years old. I live in the United States. Kisses.